Little storyteller.
Lefty the sock was blue and white striped. He lived in a washing machine in Ohio. One day, his best friend, Righty, went missing. Lefty felt sad. He missed Righty very much. Righty was also blue and white striped, and they loved tumbling together in the dryer. Lefty decided to find Righty. He would go on a big adventure. First, Lefty hopped into a laundry basket filled with soft, colorful clothes. The basket went on a ride in a car. Lefty peeked out and saw green trees and blue skies. He waved goodbye to Ohio. The laundry basket arrived at an airport. Lefty was carefully folded into a suitcase with a little girl's toys. There was a fluffy bunny with long pink ears and a teddy bear with a button nose. They were going on a trip too. The bunny told Lefty exciting stories about faraway lands. The airplane flew over big oceans and tall mountains. Lefty looked out the tiny window. He saw fluffy white clouds that looked like giant cotton balls. He wondered if Righty was looking at the same clouds. The suitcase finally opened in a sunny room in Japan. Lefty was taken out with the other clothes and brought outside. He was clipped onto a clothesline. The wind tickled his stripes. He saw colorful kites flying in the sky. Suddenly, Lefty saw another blue and white striped sock hanging next to him. "Righty," he called out. "Lefty," Righty called back. They wiggled with joy in the breeze. They were together again. That night, tucked inside the little girl's drawer, Lefty and Righty snuggled close. They learned that even when you are far apart, you can find your way back to your friends. It's always good to have a partner.
Please subscribe. Thank you.